What is the best affiliate program in the world? When hosting, every blogger needs to get started. So in this post, I have listed some of the first high payout hosting companies. In this post, you are going to learn a lot of new information about affiliate programs. 1. Bluehost. Bluehost is the best hosting service to start. Beginners love this hosting company for many reasons. For example, WordPress recommended this web hosting company to start. All website experts have guidelines on how to start a blog, starting with Bluehost in this post. This topic is always demanding. Here you can see how to start a blog trending graph all the time for global. It has 86.7k monthly visitors in the world. If you rank this keyword, you can generate huge traffic in search results. That means you can generate $1 million revenue. You can earn $65 per qualifying purchase using a Bluehost affiliate link. The funny fact is that if someone uses your Bluehost affiliate link, it's saved in their web browser for 90 days. If the reader purchases something from Bluehost from the same browser, you will receive a commission within the next 90 days. 2. Hostinger. Hostinger is the most popular web hosting in the world, because it's a cheap quality web hosting company. For example, you can run your blog for 4 years for only $70. Hostinger also has cloud hosting, VPS hosting, WordPress hosting, domain, and more. It is so popular that all web experts list this hosting company in their posts. The keyword is best web hosting. You can also create a post on this keyword and promote the Hostinger company. You will get up to 60% commission for each sale. 3. GreenGeeks. Another eco-friendly web hosting company. Especially WordPress web hosting. In the beginning, your blog is much smaller. For this reason, GreenGeeks is for you. When you want to ensure fast loading of websites at a reasonable price. They also offer VPS hosting services. Why would people take this hosting company? Because this company offers hosting services at a lower price than Bluehost. And its quality is better than Bluehost. When someone is thinking of choosing a good quality hosting company at a low price, then the GreenGeeks are for you. They pay $50 for each sale. It's not last. 4. Cloudways. Are you looking for a Google Cloud server? One of the high-paying affiliate programs in the world. They commission their partners on 3 models. They have a system for tracking your affiliate links. You can improve your posts by tracking this link. The question is, why would a blogger choose this company? Let's look at the company's commitments for this. They focus on simple, innovative performance. The big companies on the internet recommend Cloudways. They pay their partners $130 for each sale. 5. HostWinds. The HostWinds company is unknown to many people. But did you know that HostWinds has many popular web hosting companies such as Contabo? They have been providing online hosting services all over the world since 2010. They also have VPS and dedicated servers. There is also web hosting and cloud hosting for business and personal use. When you are thinking of earning $65 for each sign-up, join HostWinds. They give you approval as soon as you join. 6. Elementor. Did you know that WordPress's Element Page Builder plugin comes with hosting services? I like their price plan for this service. They offer 20 GB storage, domain, free SSL, CDN by Cloudflare, Google Cloud. And all Elementor features are only $80/year. If you are looking for a hosting company to build a dynamic website, then Elementor is for you. And you can promote their service in your blog post. They pay a 50% commission for each sale. If you can earn $10,000, then they are offering to host your website on their hosting server for free. Pretty cool, right? 7. Dremost. Did you know that Dremost is one of the oldest web hosting companies in the world? Those who have been running hosting services since before 2000. They have 400,000 happy customers in 100 countries. Their journey started in 1997. They control over 1.5 million plus websites so far. Of these, more than 650K have installed WordPress. You can promote their WordPress managed hosting plan. Dremost is one of the 3 recommended web hosting companies for WordPress. You can earn up to $200 commission on each of their sign-ups. 8. Penguins. Penguin is another popular hosting company that pays high commissions. Penguin Associates cannot generate strong revenue. But its cookie time is 180 days. The purpose of your readers is to write a review about managed WordPress hosting. The downside of this company is that it is very expensive web hosting, due to which you cannot convert any beginner to this hosting. But if you make a post about comparison, then it can work very well like this. They give you a $100 bonus for 5 sales. Hey, now, I will hear from you. If you know of any more affiliate program companies, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button for a new update. Stay tuned with Is It Sense.